people all weekend to come down the near side chalk line of the track or on that portion of the track. We have not had many people at all over the course of all these passes between the 4 classes last night and 2.5 you'll see this evening. We've had hardly anybody over here on the near side of the announcers area who tries that, and he's going to go 281 and 10. 281 and 10. The full distance for Chris Kane, 281 and 10.